Is one more like git call we can take. We're trying to see that how to retrieve authentication policy contract list, that is APC, using the PF admin REST API. So yeah, the code will again the same, just need to update the API URL. This is the URL for the APC authentication policy contract list, and just yeah, same thing like bypass SSL certificate validation, and then yeah, like create a URL object with the API endpoint, set the request method to get, and the headers part authentication response code, and then reading the response from the input stream, and then printing the response, and then yeah, exceptional handling. So again, it's the same thing like in the code, there is nothing changed, just the API. So let's quickly run in the Eclipse, and then we can jump to the post call. Because yeah, once you understand the get method, how you are calling this in Java, you can easily do that. You can easily just use for any of the APIs, right? Whatever the REST APIs PF giving, you can try and you can able to get the data. So similar way, we need to understand the post. In the post, the challenge is like based on the call. So in the get, right, we're just trying to retrieve something, and we have an API, just hitting that with the same format of code, and then we are getting the result. But in case of post call, like it will vary because the JSON body will vary, depends on the problem, depends on the API we are calling. So let's say we are trying to create a SAML connection. So for that, JSON body will be different, right, with different parameters. Let's say for auth clients, we have a different parameters. Let's say if we are creating a scope, a common scope, or an exclusive scope, kind of those. So again, our like JSON body will change. So we'll try to understand, like we'll just take 3-4 more examples for post also after this. So let's quickly jump to Eclipse and let's run this without wasting our time. What happened? It says that errors exist in the workspace. Let me proceed. Not sure what error came. Okay, yeah, there's no error, such error like. So we have response code 200, and here we have the PF learning came, and with the like name and yeah, whatever it is attribute it is we have in the APC. Let's go quickly to the APC and let's see how many APC we have created. So let's go to policy and then go to policy contracts, and I see we have only one, but let me confirm. The result is giving in the API is only one. Yeah, so we have only one PF learning, and that is like and we have the attribute set. So same thing we can see in our Eclipse also, right? So here is we have the name of the APC, and here we have the attribute part. Okay, so this is good. So let's jump to our post call. Let's try to understand the code. Little bit it will change. It's not like the entire thing will change, because there also we need authentication, header, object URL, everything we need there also, and how to read the input stream, response from the input stream, all those things required there. But yeah, let's try how we are passing the JSON body. That is most important to understand. So let's jump to the next section where we'll just we'll just try to have an example for one of the post method. Yeah, if you have any questions, please put in the comment section, so I'll try to answer them. Thank you.